Thinking about using the Stash app? Here are the real pros and cons. No fluffing. Pros first. It's beginner friendly. Well, Stash makes it easy to start investing with as little as $5. You get access to fractional shares, curated stock, and ETF picks, and automated investing tools. It also includes banking features like a debit card that earns you stock instead of cash back, plus access to Roth IRAs and custodial accounts. So if you're on a higher plan, now the cons. It's not free. My plans start at a $3 a month, and for smart portfolios, the fee can eat into your returns. Also, you don't get full control like on advanced broker apps. So if you're a hands-on investor or want deep data, you might outgrow it. And lastly, customer support can be slow sometimes, which is frustrating if you run into issues. Bottom line is, Stash is a great tool if you're new to investing in one and all in one app. But if you're looking for zero fees and advanced tools, it might not be for you. Hit like and subscribe for more quick reviews. Got a question? We'll drop it below. I've got you covered.